Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog agility tunnel that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Paws Collapsible Dog Agility Tunnel. Paws Collapsible Tunnel extends to a length of 47.2 and has several cords at the entrance that could attach the tunnel to other products to elongate the adventure. The tunnel makes a great hiding place for more shy animals, and the twin, peek-a-boo, holes allow you to play with your pet while they're inside as well as letting them look out at the world. The crinkle sound made when your pet steps into the tunnel satisfy a predator's instincts, and the reinforced springs are strong enough to hold their shape even when jumped on. Once your pet has had its fill of the tunnel, the whole thing folds up and ties together for secure storage. What's more, the premium polyester material used on the tunnel is easy to clean and doesn't collect hairs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Outward Hound ZipZoom Indoor Dog Agility Tunnel. Outward Hound ZipZoom Indoor Dog Agility Training Kit is designed to strengthen the bond between you and your pooch through play and features a short dog training tunnel, adjustable jumping hurdle, and 4 weave poles. All the equipment is incredibly easy to set up or take down and can quickly pack into the included Dog Agility Tunnel bag. The Dog Agility tunnels are square. They measure approximately 2.5 feet across, offering plenty of space for even large dogs to sit inside comfortably, yet folds down to just 16 inches when placed in the carry bag. The 4 weave poles are also collapsible for secure storage, and the hurdle can adjust to an appropriate height. The hurdles and weave poles are all incredibly lightweight, so they topple when knocked by your dog rather than causing the dog any pain or discomfort. This set is best for indoor use to build your pup's confidence and help them learn new agility skills. At number 3, we have the Paw Hut 4PC Dog Agility Tunnel Kit. This awesome 4-piece dog agility set contains everything a new owner might need to start their pooch on the path to becoming an agility course pro instead of being lazy in its cozy dog bed. This set features a variety of different equipment types that will challenge your pet and keep them interested. Also included are convenient dog agility tunnel bags so you can easily pack away and store your equipment. This set is an excellent option for anyone who's committed to agility training. The set includes a full, open tunnel measuring 58.5 long with a 24 inches diameter, vertical weave poles that measure 24 inches high, an adjustable hurdle, and a square, paws, box for your pup to ace the landing after their performance. Everything uses high-quality 190T polyester material that resists tearing and ripping even during rigorous use, so you should be able to get plenty of life out of this agility kit. At number 2, we have the Cheering Pet 28PC Dog Agility Equipment. The Cheering Pet 28PC Dog Agility Set gives you and your pup a chance to play together and enjoy each other's company. This set allows you to exercise and engage the mind of your pet in a range of challenges, whether you're thinking of going pro or just want to have some fun. Every item in this set consists of the highest quality materials to last the test of time, even under rough play, and includes some useful instructions and tips to help you make the most of your agility set. And finally at number 1, we have the Houseables Dog Training Tunnel. This awesome dog training tunnel spans an impressive 18 feet long with a generous 24 inches diameter. Perfect for almost any size dog to enjoy and follows the regulations used by professional, sanctioned dog events. The Houseables Dog Training Tunnel has a bright blue lining material made from an incredibly lightweight yet durable 600D woven Oxford Dacron designed to withstand aggressive play. The steel springs are strong enough to tolerate plenty of rough and tumble, yet allow you to easily manipulate angles and corners into the dog training tunnel for some extra excitement. Plus, the whole thing can be easily folded away into the included circular carry case, and the nylon handles make transportation a breeze. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon